The astonishing power of black holes. A black hole is an extremely dense object from which no light can escape. They are formed when extremely massive stars collapse at the end of their life cycle. Even though black holes are invisible, we can detect them by studying the way they interact with their environment. Black holes are fascinating objects that have captivated the imaginations of scientists and the public alike. In this article, we will explore some of the most amazing facts about black holes. How black holes form? Black holes are formed when a very massive star runs out of fuel and collapses in on itself under its own gravity. As the star is collapsing, it builds up an enormous amount of pressure and heat, forcing protons and electrons to combine to form neutrons. As the star continues to collapse, the neutrons form a dense core that is so massive that not even light can escape its gravitational pull. The extreme gravity of the dense core creates the black hole, and a huge amount of energy is released in the form of electromagnetic radiation. The outer layers of the star are blasted away, leaving only the core. This core can be anywhere from a few kilometers across to millions of kilometers across, depending on the size of the star that collapsed. Even though black holes are invisible, we can detect them by studying the gravitational force they exert on their environment. The different types of black holes. There are three different types of black holes: stellar mass black holes, supermassive black holes, and intermediate mass black holes. Stellar mass black holes are the smallest, with masses ranging from a few times the mass of the Sun to a few hundred times the mass of the Sun. The supermassive black holes are much more massive, with masses ranging from a million to billions of times the mass of the Sun. Finally, intermediate mass black holes are the rarest of the three, with masses ranging from hundreds to thousands of solar masses. Astronomers have discovered different ways to detect black holes, using techniques like gravitational lensing and X-ray observations. Gravitational lensing occurs when light rays passing close to a massive object are bent by its gravity, allowing us to detect the presence of the object without directly seeing it. X-ray observations can also be used to detect black holes because they emit X-rays when matter falls onto them. The mind-blowing power of black holes. Black holes are some of the most powerful and mysterious objects in the universe. Their immense gravitational force can affect objects up to the edges of the observable universe, and they possess some mind-boggling properties. For example, black holes can reach temperatures of billions of degrees, which allow them to emit X-rays detectable from very far away. Black holes can also be affected by the things that happen around them. For example, when two black holes or neutron stars collide, they can send a powerful wave of energy that can be detected with sensitive instruments around the world. This wave of energy, called a gravitational wave, travels at the speed of light and can tell us a lot about the dynamics of the collision. What happens when you get too close to a black hole? Getting too close to a black hole can have disastrous results. The closer you are to the black hole, the stronger its gravitational pull. If you get too close, you will be pulled towards the black hole and eventually swallowed up by it. At this point, Nothing can escape the black hole's extreme gravity, and you will be compressed into an infinitely small point. This process is often referred to as spaghettification, and it's one of the most extreme cases of gravity ever observed. Fortunately, we don't have to worry about getting too close to a black hole in our everyday lives, as we tend to be few light years away from the closest one. Final thoughts. Black holes are some of the most extreme objects in the universe. They are invisible yet powerful, and can teach us a lot about the laws of physics. By studying black holes, we can learn more about how the universe works and uncover mysteries that have stumped us for centuries. No matter how curious we are, however, we should always remember that getting too close to a black hole can have disastrous results. But that doesn't make them any less fascinating. If anything, it makes them even more awe-inspiring. Thanks for watching.